Hola everyone, Scotty here from Destination Open Road. It is another beautiful day here in Lake Havasu. Check it out. And actually the wind has calmed down. So my good buddy Donnie and I are gonna go for a bike ride. Go check out the lake. It is spring break, so you never know what you're gonna find. I'm gonna be cruising on my brand new NAKTO Super Cruiser. 500 watt engine. Let's go see what we can find in Lake Havasu. All right, Donnie's behind me. I got my bike. You can see we have our helmets on, and I'm gonna actually put you guys up here to see where I'm going. This might be fun, you never know. Hang on. Power this puppy up. Beautiful screen. You can see we rode it for just a little bit. It's gonna be a new experience. All right, power level 1. Let's do it, Donnie. Feels really nice and smooth over these big old bumps here. Yeah, it's completely a different experience on a 26 inch by 4 inch tire. Definitely smooth. Definitely moving out. And with the 6-speed Shimano derailleur, it matches the speed so well with the pedal assist. There we go. I'm still in level 1 going downhill. Don't need to go too fast. Let's see how she does the oh yeah. The front suspension really makes it really comfortable. Actually, for jumping it felt pretty good. Now, obviously this isn't too much of an off-road deal, but so far so good. Oh, let's does have a horn. There we go. And it has a reflector in the back end, so somebody don't run you over. It's a beautiful day here. The super bloom is getting ready to happen also. So it has a horn, it has a front headlight, has manual disc brakes front and back, and I'll be honest, this is a pretty smooth ride. I'm used to the littler tires. This thing is very comfortable. Up 15 miles, look at that. 15 miles. All right. Dang. Doesn't take much to get used to this ride though. Wow. And these are the neat, surprising things being at Craigie Wash here in Lake Havasu. These military rigs, the helicopters and the jets, they sneak in one side and they fly out the other side. It's so impressive. There's Donnie up front. We're heading downwards. Ready? To the lake. Yeah. All right, so we're right down here by Castle Rock, and you used to be able to ride your side-by-sides up this mountain. They have now closed it off. And look at the beautiful bloom. Look at these flowers. I have never seen Arizona so beautiful. We're gonna go down, right down there, to Castle Rock. We can ride our bikes down there. What a glorious day. I don't think we can go up those hills over there. Anyways, let's go check out the water. All right, here's the entrance to the park. Carry out all your trash. Tells you a little bit about the wildlife we have here. Still waiting to see one of these little guys and a tortuga, but we have been able to see the mountain sheep. Anyways, let's head down. Some people are taking their boats because you can launch your little inflatable boats out at the end. This is Castle Rock. Let's go check out the water. This is the little landing area where you can sit at the beach, launch your boats and everything, and go play around. Actually, a good friend of mine, Jake, was out here fishing the other day. Caught a big old 18-inch smallmouth bass. So there was it a striped bass? Okay, it was a striped bass, and he ate it and it was good. This is kind of not the end of our trail because we're going to plan on going up around that way possibly. So hang on to your hats. Let's go. Not bad at all. I've never been up here to see the view from up here, but it sure is pretty with all the flowers. Wow. Oh, this view is going to be incredible. You know, Donnie, I'll bet there's some fossils somewhere in here amongst all this from the long river. All right, check this view out. Yeah, you know what's amazing is from all the rain and the storm the other day, how much silt is in the water now. When you if you get up on the hill and you're leaving town, you can see where the river just pumped it all in there. So you can get in here with a very small boat. That's your channel over there. You would probably paddle to get through the little reeds there. But right in here, lots of good fish. And these people have brought their boat out and they're going to inflate it and go floating. All right, made it down here to the lake. Thought I'd get my feet wet and thought I'd get my new NAKTO Super Cruiser bike wet. I will say this bike rides sweet on the asphalt and really nice on this loose gravel and the sand. Right, it's been a great ride down here. Let's continue our bike ride. Onward bound, as my friend says. And honestly, Donnie and I kind of put ourselves in a position where we rode to. And the only way out is up this hill. So we're probably going to be pushing these bikes or just... oh, maybe. Wait a minute. I didn't realize there's the easy way out over there. We'll take the easy way out. Hopefully you all can see it. The beautiful, I don't know if it's purple or violet or whatever, up on the hillside in the sand. Never seen it like that before. Absolutely beautiful. And all the rain the rest of the country got, boy, Arizona needed it. Okay, let's head on. All right, this is the side where you can actually ride your side-by-sides on. This is Arizona side here. Those dunes right over here, that's California side. They closed it off. Basically right in the dip down the road you can see there, that's where it changes. And there is no welcome to California side. Anyways, this is lots of fun. I think they're all contemplating, do we do it? Do we do it? Anyways, let's continue on our journey. Always a neat little air show here at Havasu. One of these times I'm going to have the opportunity to catch one of these fighter jets taking off from the airport. So you can see where we're at. Over on the closer part of the mountain, that is where the airport is. Craggy Wash is right up here. That's what I wanted to say. So we're on top of those hills over there. Well, not on top, but up and over the hills. I spotted this cool little bug. Hopefully he's a friendly bug. He was doing so well in the dirt. Oh. How true. Always in life, there's always obstacles. Well, good luck to you, little Mr. Bug. At least you're out of the road. So with your 48 volt, 12 amp battery, this thing's a powerhouse. Just slides right back in, locks down, turn key, now it's locked in, and power on. Ready to ride. Back out. You can see I put 12 miles on this thing, and it's a nice, comfortable ride. All right, haven't ridden this thing at night or anything, but you see it's got a real nice light, got a nice little horn. This is a rear reflector. It is not a brake light or anything like that. This is a cruiser. It is indeed a nice little cruising bike. Hey, for more information on this NAKTO Super Cruiser, check out the description below. Thanks again for watching the video. Peace out, everybody.